Warren homeowners experience all four seasons in full force, from hot, humid summers to freezing winters, heavy rain, snow, and gusty winds. With such dramatic weather shifts, having the right windows is essential for maintaining comfort, protecting your home, and controlling energy costs. Weather-resistant windows are designed to withstand these seasonal changes while keeping your home comfortable year-round. Here's a closer look at the key weather-resistant window features that are especially valuable for Warren's climate. Multi-pane glass for superior insulation. One of the most important features of weather-resistant windows is double or triple pane glass. Single-pane windows offer minimal protection against temperature extremes, while multi-pane glass creates insulating barriers that significantly reduce heat transfer. Benefits include warmer interiors during cold Michigan winters, reduced heat gain during hot summer months, improved temperature stability throughout the home, better noise reduction during storms and windy conditions. Triple pane windows provide the highest level of insulation, making them ideal for homes exposed to harsh winter winds. Low E glass coatings for year-round protection. Low emissivity, low E glass coatings play a crucial role in weather resistance. These invisible layers reflect heat back toward its source while still allowing natural light to pass through. In Warren's seasonal climate, low E glass keeps heat inside during winter, blocks excessive solar heat in summer, reduces glare from bright sunlight, protects furniture and flooring from UV damage. This helps maintain consistent indoor comfort regardless of outdoor conditions. Durable frame materials built for seasonal extremes. Window frames must withstand temperature fluctuations, moisture, and freeze-thaw cycles without warping or cracking. Weather-resistant windows use advanced frame materials designed for durability. Top choices include vinyl frames, which resist moisture and provide strong insulation, fiberglass frames, known for strength, and minimal expansion composite frames, offering long-term stability. These materials perform well through Warren's changing seasons, helping windows maintain a tight seal year after year. High-performance weather stripping to block air and moisture. Weather stripping is a small component with a big impact. Quality weather-resistant windows use advanced weather stripping systems that prevent air leaks and moisture intrusion. Proper weather stripping stops cold drafts during winter, keeps hot air out during summer, blocks rain and melting snow, reduces condensation buildup. This helps protect your home's interior and improve energy efficiency. Warm edge spacer systems for better insulation. Spacers separate the panes of glass in multi-pane windows. Traditional metal spacers conduct heat, increasing the risk of condensation and heat loss. Warm edge spacers are made from insulating materials that perform better in extreme weather. They help reduce condensation during cold months, improve overall window insulation, extend the lifespan of window seals, enhance indoor comfort. Warm edge spacers are particularly beneficial in Warren's cold winters. Impact-resistant and reinforced glass options. Warren homeowners also benefit from windows designed to withstand high winds, debris, and sudden storms. Reinforced or laminated glass adds an extra layer of protection. Benefits include increased resistance to cracking or shattering, improved safety during storms, enhanced noise reduction, added security year-round. This feature offers peace of mind during severe weather events. Professional installation for maximum weather resistance. Even the best weather-resistant window won't perform well if it's installed incorrectly. Professional installation ensures that all weather-resistant features work together effectively. Expert installation includes precise measurements and alignment, proper insulation around the frame, secure anchoring to prevent shifting, durable exterior sealing. This ensures your windows remain weather-tight through Warren's seasonal changes. Built to handle Warren's weather, season after season. Weather-resistant windows are a smart investment for Warren homeowners facing year-round climate challenges. With features like multi-pane glass, low E coatings, durable frames, advanced weather stripping, and professional installation, these windows protect your home from the elements while enhancing comfort and efficiency. If you're preparing your home for Michigan's unpredictable weather, upgrading to weather-resistant windows is one of the most effective ways to ensure long-term comfort and peace of mind.